Can you believe this modular family home is built using shipping containers? Yes, you heard right. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, perfect cozy retreat is situated in Idaho and is built exclusively using shipping containers. The house was built using 3 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together, with one of the containers offset at the front to create an entrance porch, giving a total of 960 plus square feet of habitable space. Upon entering through the front door, you are greeted by a bright kitchen space, well equipped with stainless steel appliances under the counter and overhead kitchen cabinets, well finished kitchen backsplash, and granite countertops, making this amazing house a pristine dwelling unit. Furthermore, next to the kitchen is a lockable cupboard with a washing machine and dryer. From the kitchen area is a well-lit dining space. The dining area has got a large handcrafted table that sits up to 6, making it perfect for large family or group dining. Plenty of natural light streaming in through the large windows makes the dining room a perfect spot to enjoy a cup of coffee before starting the day. The living area has got a cozy lounge space fitted with comfortable seats and a smart TV for your entertainment. On your way to the bedrooms and the bathrooms is a cozy sitting area ideal for 2. From the cozy sitting space is the first bedroom. It accommodates a queen bed, an adequately sized closet, and glass window for natural lighting. Behind the cozy sitting area is a well-finished bathroom that features a toilet, a wash and basin, storage cabinets, and a glass window to brighten the space. From the bathroom is the second bedroom, fitted with 4 comfortable bunk beds and a window for ventilation and daylighting. In the master bedroom, the highlight goes to the beautiful floral accent wall. The master bedroom accommodates a queen bed, a sitting area, a built-in closet, and a small window for ventilation. From the master bedroom is a full bathroom with a bathtub, a shower cubicle, a toilet, a wash and basin, and plenty of built-ins. The home is fitted with several high-performance windows which flash the indoor space with maximum daylighting and cross ventilation. The ample daylight makes the spaces feel bigger and brighter, helping to eliminate that confinement feel synonymous with shipping container spaces. On the outside, there is no single hint that this amazing home is made from shipping containers. The house is covered with cement board siding to give the house a more conventional look. The outdoors are fitted with a beautiful outdoor furniture which allows the families to enjoy outdoor living under the big outdoor covered deck, which also forms the frontal porch of the house. Which part of this amazing home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to more viewers. By doing so, you will be supporting our channel to help us grow. If you have any questions about shipping container homes, do not hesitate to give us your opinions by posting in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.